Hello, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning. Good morning, Hannah. Good morning, Anna. Johan, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good. Okay, so yesterday we were doing some probability, and I hope that you don't have any doubt. So quickly we'll do the class, and then you can have a good time. Okay, so um, let's start the class. So we were doing things on probability. Okay, so we learned that probability means chances. What is the chances? What is the probability? Okay, so we did dice one, we did that one. Okay, now uh, first of all, we learn about cards. Okay, so there are basically total number of cards are 52. Okay, there are total 62 number of cards are there. Okay, out of this, there are four sections are there. Okay, so now you can understand like this. We have club, we have spade, we have diamond, we have heart. So this thing we have in this uh, uh, heart part. Okay, so club has a number of starting from uh, ace, ace, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then jack, then queen, and then king. In the same way, spade also has same 8, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then jack, then queen, and then king. Diamond. Diamond has same thing, ace, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then jack, then queen, and then king. Same. Heart. Heart also has ace, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then jack, then queen, and then king. So this is we learned in the hard part. Yes or no? Okay. So we have ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are called as number cards. I'll write on this number. These are called as number card. Okay. Number cards. And then this is called as ace. So there is no one. Instead of one, we use ace. So ace is the smallest card also, and ace is the largest card also. Like ace we consider as one also, and ace we consider as 14 also, which is the largest among all the cards. So that's why ace is the largest as well as smallest one. Understood? Anna, tell me camera please. Now jack, queen, and king. These are called as face cards. These are called as face card because they have in that card there is a face drawn in them. That's why they are called as face card. Because they have face, that's why it's called as face. Understood? Yes or no? Now, there are total 50 of cards. Now, each group has 13 cards in them. Each group has 13 cards in them. Like if you count one, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Each group has how many cards? 13 cards are there. Okay? Understood, guys? Yes or no? Hannah is sleeping. Now quickly write it out. Johan, understood?
Uh, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, shall I read this? Okay. I'll give you one question. Okay. Card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Then find a probability that is of red color and a black color. So what is the probability of getting a red color? Yes, guys. What is the probability of getting red color?
23 out of 52.
20?
26 out of 52.
Yeah, 26 out of 50. So how to write this type of questions? I'll just write it down. Otherwise, the answer is correct. Okay, just give me a second. So you have to write like this. Probability of getting red color card is 26, which is the total number of outcomes. Understood, Hannah? And out of 52, which is the like total all of the card, there is a 26. So if you will simplify it, it will be 1 by 2. Like means 50% chances will be there that you will get a red card. Understood? Yes or no? So you have to write like this. You have to simplify it also. Now, second is what is probability of getting a black color?
1 by 2.
Again, same 26 by 52 because black is also 26 in number and 52 is the total number of outcomes is equals to, then you have to simplify it into 1 by 2. Very good. Okay. I'm ready. Okay. Now, tell me the answer of this. What is the answer of first number? What is the answer of first number? Johan will give me this answer of first. Johan, are you there? Johan, if you're saying you're mute. Yeah. Johan, can you hear me?
Sir,
Yes.
aren't there only 7 sides to a dice? I mean, 6 sides.
Yeah. But the question is saying less than seven.
S-
Less than seven. What does this mean?
7. I mean, 6 by 6.
Yes, perfect. Very good. Why? Because every number is less than seven, so it will become 6 by 6. Okay, the answer will be one. Okay. Then
Yes.
second,
And that's 0 by 6.
yes, there is no number more than six. Then it's even not greater than seven. So probability of getting number greater than seven is what? 0 by 6, it will be zero. So from this, what we got? From this, we got that the value of probability, the value of probability, like it can be equals to zero or more than zero. Okay, and it can be uh, more than like it can be less than one or equals to one. Okay, this is the major thing. Like the probability always lies from 0 to 1, not more than that. If you are getting probability 1.75, then you are wrong. If you're getting probability 0.35, then it may be correct because it's lying between 0 and 1. So the value of probability always lies from 0 to 1. Okay, understood? And 0. 0 is called as, like if you're getting probability as 0, if you're getting probability as 0, then this is called as impossible event. Impossible event. If you're getting probability at 0, na, then it is called as impossible event because it's not possible. Like if you will roll a die and you are saying that you should get a number greater than seven, it's impossible. If there is no more than seven numbers are there. Understood? No. Okay. And if you're getting probability as one, then it is called as Ture event. What event? Ture event means sure event. Okay, then it is called as sure event. So why sure event? Because it's pakka 100%. If you are getting probability of less than seven number, then pakka you will get. Okay, so it's called as sure. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Write it down quickly. Done? Done, guys? Done with the writing? Hannah? Okay, so like this. Okay. Uh, Probability of E. Like for example, for any event, if they ask what is the probability of this, so probability of E plus probability of E not means not E is equals to what? Now what is this? So we can understand it like this. A coin is flipped. Okay, a coin is flipped. What is the probability of getting tail? Tell me.
1/2.
Getting tail is 1/2. Okay. Now, what is the probability of getting not tail? E bar means what is the meaning of E bar? E bar is not event. Like any event, I asked about tail. Tail is your event. Okay, so you can write like this. The probability of event is 1/2 because the event which is asked. And if I will say not E means what is probability of getting not tail? Means I don't want tail. Then not tail. We don't want tail. Then tell me half. It's again half. Okay. So it means that not tail means what is the meaning of not tail? Means we don't need tail. So the other option is head will become half. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Probability of event plus probability of not that event. Answer is always one. It's we are getting half plus this is also half. It is also one. So it means that 1 is equals to 1. Yes. So probability of getting the event, probability of getting not that event always equals to 1. Understood? So we call this as complementary event. Yeah, what we say? Complementary event. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now quickly write it down. And I was so and I was yes, sir. What you say? I think this is a perfect time, no, Hannah?
I don't mind it. I got someone removed the alarm today, so I got up late. Someone
Oh,
otherwise I would have
oh,
gone on.
oh. So Anna is saying yes. Wow. How to say yes? Good. Johan, is this time okay?
Oh, yes, so
Time okay?
yeah, I don't have any problem.
Oh, you don't have any. Oh, yeah. The time is 10 only because I want to speak. But like tomorrow only, we will have this class and on Monday onwards, will be nothing. Okay, done. Now we'll end the maths class, 30 minutes class only. We'll end this and we'll start our science class in 2 minutes. So everyone come back by 2 minutes. Bye, Anna. Come back too. Okay, so we'll start our science class. So, have you turned on the camera? So, we were doing what? What we were doing?
Force and motion.
Yeah, force and motion. Displacement we did?
Yeah. Are these
Okay.
factors?
Yeah. Now today we'll learn about speed and velocity. Now, basically, what is different between speed and velocity? So you can understand it like this. Speed is like the formula for speed is total distance upon total time. Speed is total distance upon total time. So total distance means like if Hannah covered 60-meter distance in 60 seconds, then what is the speed of this? If Hannah covered 60 meter in 60 seconds, then it will be 1 meter per second. So this is what Hannah did. Okay. The velocity of Hannah is 1 meter per second. But velocity, what is a velocity? Velocity is basically little bit different, not more than that, which is total displacement upon total time. Total displacement upon total time. Now we'll understand it like this. See, if Hannah is standing like here, and this is B part, and this is 60 meter. Okay. So if according to speed, we'll just take another example of speed so that you can understand the difference between velocity and speed. Like Hannah starts from A, then reach to B, then again come back to A. So what is the total distance covered by Hannah? Hannah,
120 meters.
sorry?
120 meters.
Okay. So 120 meters upon time taken by Hannah is 60. So the speed will be 2 meter per second. Okay. Yes. Now, what will be the velocity in this case? Can anybody give me the answer? What is the
0.
velocity in this? Okay. Johan, what is the velocity? What do you understand in velocity?
Uh, like
Like Hannah starts from A, then come back to A, like going to B, then come back to A. So it means that
yeah.
how much, what will be the velocity in this case? Like speed, we calculated it, which is 2 meter per second. What will be the velocity?
Uh, Velocity to
Total displacement upon total time. So what is the displacement in Hannah's case?
hmm. So it will be 60 meters.
60 meters in 60 seconds.
Yeah, 60 meters by 60 seconds.
Okay. Now, Hannah is correct. See, displacement means change in position. Yesterday we did that. Means like Hannah come back and so what is distance traveled by Hannah? Like A, she started from A, she ends in A. There is no displacement. There is no change in position. That's why the velocity will remain as like total displacement is 0 in 60 seconds. 0 in 60 seconds. Then velocity will be 0 meter per second. Like there is no velocity because there is no change in position by Hannah. Understood, Johan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So velocity is total displacement upon total time, and speed is total distance upon total time. So speed is a scalar quantity, and velocity is a vector quantity. Okay. Understood? Okay, write it down. Okay, done. Okay, so we did this speed and velocity. Now we'll learn about acceleration. Now this acceleration is bit important. Okay. No, first, yeah, acceleration we'll learn. See, guys, acceleration, if I will teach you in a smallest way, is basically change in speed. Okay. Who knows how to drive car? Do you know how to drive car? Anna? Okay, Johan, do you know how to drive car?
No, sir.
Oh, you don't know. Okay. So basically, when, like, for example, do you saw like now if you will sit in the car, na, so see there is three types of pedals are there. Okay, not reverse pedal. I'm asking. I'm saying that there are three types of pedals are there. First is acceleration, brake, and clutch. Okay, so basically, what happens when we drive a car, we put a leg on acceleration. So in acceleration, what happens when you will put a leg on acceleration, the speed increases, and from rest, it's moving. Understood? So that is acceleration. Hmm. Okay. So acceleration is basically change in speed. What? Change in speed. What is a speed change? So like we can understand it like this. This is a car. Okay. Now the car starts to move. So first it was at rest. The first speed, like initial speed of the car was, or you can say initial velocity. Initial velocity of car is 0 meter per second because it has rest. There is no speed. Now it accelerates like some acceleration they put, and in 5 seconds it covers it covers it covers like in 5 seconds it becomes 20 meter per second. Like the speed the car got, which is 20 meter per second in 5 seconds. So, Johan, do you have interest in cars? Like, do you see cars video? Do you have any knowledge about cars?
No, I'm not a car guy.
Oh, you're not a car guy. So your bike, you know bike?
No, I'm more of a like, tank guy, not a or anything, not such vehicles.
You love tank, army
Yeah,
tank.
yes, sir.
Wow, that's great. So, I forgot the name of tank. Okay, it's okay. So, now this is the final velocity, no? Like final velocity attained by the car is 20 meter per second. Initial velocity is zero and final velocity is 20 meter per second. So now, because of this, we hit it is we there's a formula for getting acceleration, and this is very important. Please, at this point, pay attention. Acceleration is final velocity, which is denoted by v, minus initial velocity, which is denoted by u, upon time t. Okay, like initial velocity is denoted by u, final velocity denoted by v, and this is time t, which is 5 seconds. Okay, So now if you want to calculate it, what is the acceleration of the car? Its final velocity is 20 meter per second. Initial velocity is 0 meter per second upon time is 5 seconds. If you will calculate it, it will become 20 minus 0 upon 5, 20 upon 5, then you will get answer as 4 meter per second square. So it means that now what does this mean? This means that like if you will cut this 5 second into 1 second, now like 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, and 5 second. So like if you will cut it now, so what this acceleration is about is telling us that each second the speed increases by 4 meter per second. Like from 0 to 1, 4 meter per second. Then 1 to 2, again 4 meter per second. Now the total it will become 8 meter per second at 2 seconds. Understood, guys? Then 3 to 4, again 4 meter per second, and it will become 12 here. Okay. Now 4 to 3 to 4, again 4 meter per second, it becomes 16 meter second. Then here also 4 meter again. Then at the end of the 5 seconds, now the speed is 20 meter per second, which is the final speed. So acceleration means at each second, the speed is increases by how much? Okay. Acceleration is each second, the speed is increases by how much? That is called as basically acceleration. Okay. Understood, Hannah?
So why is it square, like 4 meter square?
Sorry? Yeah,
Why
y
did-
square. Y square, see, 4 meter per second. Okay, into second. Square and square, you can say into second, no? Okay, so it means that 4 meter per second is the speed increases each second. 4 meter per second is the speed increases by each second. Like each second, how much is increasing? Like, okay, write it down quickly. Yes. अब ये खेलना क्या होगा फिर? अरे मैं आऊंगा तेरा. Done, guys. Okay. So this is acceleration. Again. Now if speed is given in kilometer per hour, and if you want to change into meter per second, the speed is given in kilometer per hour, and if you want to change in meter per second, then how to change? So every time you have to multiply that kilometer per hour by 5 by 18 to get the answer in meter per second. Okay. So for example, if 72 kilometer per hour is there, and they ask you to get the answer in meter per second, so by what you have to multiply it? You have to multiply it by 5 by 80. Understood? then 18 ones are 18 fours are, then it will become 4 fives are 20 meter per second. It means that 72 kilometer per hour can be written as 20 meter per second. Understood? No. Now, in the same way, if you want to change meter per second into kilometer per hour, then you have to multiply by 18 by 5. Okay? Reverse, ulta. Then you have to multiply it by 18 by 5. For example, like if 30 meter per second is there and you have to change into kilometer per hour, then 5 ones are 5 6 are 6 18 are is 494. So it will become 94 kilometers per hour. Understood? Yes or no? These formulas are important. Just remember them. Okay? Tell me when you're done. Okay, done. Johan, done writing?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now I'll write one question for you. Okay, Hannah, can you read this question?
A train starts from a station, attains a speed of 72 kilometers per hour in 10 seconds. Calculate the acceleration by the train.
Okay, so now how to do this type of question? We know the formula acceleration is equals to final velocity, which is denoted by v, minus initial velocity, which is denoted by u, upon time t. Okay, final velocity minus initial velocity upon time t. Okay, so now we have to know these values, then only we can calculate acceleration. So what is the, first of all, we'll understand what is the initial velocity. What is the initial velocity?
0, right?
Very good. 0 kilometer per hour. Johan, did you understand? Why it's 0? Johan, why it's 0? Johan, are you there? Can you hear me? You're unmute, but you're not saying. Hello? Might be some network issue. Okay, Hannah, why 0?
Because they are saying the train is starting from a station and the station in the station still trains are stationary, so it has to be.
Yeah, stationary. That's why it becomes 0. Now, what is V? V in this case? V is 72 kilometer per hour and the time is 10 seconds. Okay. But now you can understand it like this. This is second, this is kilometer per hour, and this is also hour. We have to change into meter per second. So we have to change this 72 kilometer per hour into meter per second by multiplying by 5 by 80. Then you will get answer as 20 meter per second. And it is again 0 only because if you multiply any number by 0, it's also 0. So 0 meter per second. Now acceleration is equals to v minus u upon t. V final velocity is 20 meter per second. Initial velocity is 0 upon time 10. Then become 20 upon 10 is equals to 2 meter per second square. Okay. Like this, you have to do this question. Okay. Understood? Hannah? Very done with it. Johan, understood? Johan? Your mic is not working, I guess. Can you give me the sticker or emoji that you understood like this? Perfect. Good. Any doubts, please ask me, okay? Okay, done? Okay. So we'll end this class here only because half an hour I told you I will take half an hour class. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye. Thank you, Johan.